Hey y'all, so today I'm out here doing a little bit of foraging. I'm going to be gathering some sticky weed. Some of you might call it velcro weed. It makes a really good tea that's full of vitamin C. And you can also do the same thing with pine needles, but for now, would you chickens please be quiet? For now, we are gathering the sticky weed. So let me show you what it is. This is the sticky weed. It feels like it sticks to you, your clothes, sticks to everything. It's growing along my fence. I can't hear myself over you. Please be quiet. It grows around the chicken coop. I've got it in various places. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut a bunch of it, put it in this bowl. Then I'm going to take it in my house, tie it together in bunches, and then I will dry it for a couple of weeks, probably about 3 weeks. Once it's dry, I'll take my mortar and pestle and I will crush it into tea leaves and make a tea with it. I'm going to put my phone down real quick, gather as much as I can before it starts pouring, and then get these to drying. I got a bowl full. I'm going to go through and get all the leaves and pine needles and other things out, rinse it off real good, and then I will be hanging it to dry. rinse it off for the same reason that I don't eat yellow snow, because I don't know exactly where my dogs and cats go to the bathroom outside, and I would just like it a little cleaner. I'm going to hang it up to dry. Alright, now I'm just going to take some cordage. I'm going to tie it around my bunches. I'm going to hang it to dry. From what I foraged today, I have 3 bunches, and I'll get some more tomorrow or the next day when it's not raining. And I just hung mine from the curtain rod here. I know not everyone can do that because you're worried about what people will think. You just find you a good place to hang them. But this is where mine are gonna hang. So I got really wet out there foraging, but that's okay. Water never killed anybody. So I've got it up to dry. When it's ready to be crushed and I'm gonna make a cup of tea with it, I will do a follow-up video to show you that part. I just wanted to show you that there are things in your yard or the woods near you, the park, that you can forage for that will supply you with some much needed vitamin C. It's good to do your research, not just assume that it's edible, because some things are very toxic. This velcro weed, sticky weed, whatever you want to call it, is edible. I've drank it in a tea myself many times over the years. But you can do some research, and I'll put the scientific name in the description. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.